Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge token. Now, remember, Crypto.com will soon list Shibadoge, and we believe next year Crypto.com will be listing Shibadoge according to Shibadoge development. According to their roadmap, they have 3 top crypto exchanges that they listed that will soon list Shibadoge. One thing you need to understand about this is that when they talk about Hotbit, of course, Hotbit listed Shibadoge, and most things they have on their roadmap stage 1 and 2 was actually achieved. So we believe this stage 3, which Shibadoge have promised us, that Crypto.com will soon list Shibadoge. I hope that when this happens, we are going to expect an increase on Shibadoge price, market cap. Yes, Crypto.com are one of the top crypto exchange out there, and they can influence the price of Shibadoge. Crypto.com, to me, I think they can really push Shibadoge price to really change, because remember, they have over 10 million global customers, and Crypto.com, even their own local coin, Chronos CRO, you can see that coin also did well this year. Crypto.com have been supporting a lot of crypto coins like Tectonic token, which was hosted under Crypto.com, and I believe coming in and then listing Shibadoge is going to be a plus for Shibadoge token, because we know there are some top crypto exchanges that can really influence the price of coin, like Binance, like Kucoin. You talk about Crypto.com, of course, they are one of the top crypto exchanges that can really influence the price and changes of a coin. So for Shibadoge developers to have actually listed, I believe something is already going on. I believe very soon the partnership between Crypto.com and Shibadoge will soon come into life, and I believe when that happens, we are going to experience an increase. We are going to see Shibadoge pumping, Shibadoge increasing, and I hope that partnership actually hold in next year 2023. Of course, definitely we hope that partnership is going to bring a lot of changes, positive changes for Shibadoge token. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please carry your own research before taking any decision.